Hey guys, how are you? Hope everything is going well and good. So I am Pallav back with another video. So today we are going to discuss about misconfiguration against AWS S3 bucket, right? So I have already created one video on how S3 bucket can be accessible for anyone, right, around the world. So yeah, in this video we are going to look on how S3 bucket can be accessible for any AWS authenticated user, right? No matter you have actually access to that S3 bucket or not, but yes, this can be accessible for any AWS authenticated user. So maybe this video is very interesting for you, right? So actually when we have to do this for these types of issue, right? So while actually you are doing AWS infrastructure testing, right, like an audit, okay, and you can also do report for bug bounty. Okay, so we have also some report in HackerOne. You can see like a AWS bucket listing to any authenticated user, right? So see control access, sorry, I have to apply HackerOne. We can see some publicly available report, right? Accessible any AWS user. See, that means like any AWS user can access those bucket, right? So let's do and let's elaborate it, and we will do some practically how this thing work. Okay, so first of all I will go to my AWS console, right? I will go to S3. Okay, actually where this vulnerability actually exists, right? So we have to actually check. All right, so let's go, let it to be load. So this is my AWS account, so I have created one two bucket. Okay, let's go for cyber UF, right? Then we have option like a permission. Okay, so in permission, for my bucket I have already blocked all the permission. Okay, so that no unauthorized user can access, right? See, we have option, we can set it for like everyone, like a public access, right? So here we can see where actually vulnerability exists. AWS S3 bucket can be accessible for any authenticated user or group. Okay, anyone with an AWS account, right? So no matter you are actually from that group or that you are an IAM user or not, but we can access it easily. Okay. So first of all, for this video I have a lab, okay, flows.cloud. Let's do copy our lab URL. Okay, then we will go to our terminal. Okay, first of all, if you don't have AWS in your system, you have to install it, right? So I have already AWS okay in my system, so let's continue, right? So first of all I will do normally host command to check. Okay, so we can see this is pointing to this IP. Okay, so let's do another host, and I just want to check. Okay, see, we can see this IP also like pointing to this S3 bucket. Okay, so what I will do, I will normally just paste it. Okay, I will just paste it for my next next phase, right? So we need, okay, so you can edit AWS how actually we can access using our CLI, right? I have already created one video previously. Okay, you can check. I can check. Okay, I will also give the video in my description box. Okay, so let's go and let's look and let's see how this can be possible, right? So first of all, what we normally do, okay, we have this bucket, S3 bucket. We don't need now. Let's go AWS. Okay, so I have already this command in my system. Let's do, I don't know. Okay, just go and copy this URL. I will explain you. Okay, see, this is AWS, so S3. Okay, that we have to set our region, right? So in our case we have region G, US West 2, right? So this is our region. Then we are going to listing the directories which is exist in our bucket, right? So I'll just try to run this command. See, what we got an error, right? Invalid access key when calling the list object v2 operation, right? The AWS access key ID you provided does not exist in our record. Okay, so something, so that means we are unable to access this S3 bucket, right? So then what I will do now, I will go to my account. Okay, then we have our security credential. Let's try. Okay, let's try to do let's go like a authenticated user now, right? Previously we are not any authenticated user, but now let's go like a authenticated user. So I have already my access key. I am just going to delete it, no issue. I will just create a new for you for better understand, right? So we can see, okay, so this is my access key. Alright, so how we can log in? Okay, how login AWS into CLI. So configure the AWS CLI and command line interface. You can check this documentation. Okay, like no issue. You can go. You can check everything, command line operation, like how we can do. Okay, like you see, we can set up profile, right? So in this case, I'm just normally going to do clear AWS configure, right? So in configure, what I will do, we have our access key. Sorry, okay, we have our access key. I'm just going to copy it, just going to paste it here. Okay, just click enter. Then we need our secret access key, right? So see, AWS secret access key, we just go and paste it. Okay, just enter. What is our region? We can also use, okay, US. Okay, just make it default, right? Then default. So now it's successfully configured. Okay, with AWS CLI. So what I am going to do now, AWS S3 region, right? Then we are going to run the same command. Let's do a try. See, now we are able to access all the files inside our S3 bucket. Okay, so this is how this thing work. Okay, so we can normally do copy by cp command if we want to like copy any secret file, right? So you can do normally by typing so that's all for today, right? So that's what actually I want to explain you for today's video. So when actually you are doing bug bounty hunting or any audit against your cloud infrastructure, you can do try this issue. If you are not able to access S3 okay, publicly, so you can try this method also, right? So how this scenario work, I already told you. This is just normal misconfiguration, right? So that's all for today's video. Hope you got something new. So if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. So bye bye, take care, see you.